Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can log in into your Temu account without any hindrance. So without wasting any of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.temu.com. Once you do so, you will get redirected in its homepage where you have to click on the sign in and register option. Here you need to enter your password of your Temu account. After you are done filling up the password and credentials, you have to simply click on the sign in option. So after this is done, in a matter of seconds you will get signed in or logged in into your Temu app. So this is how you'll log in into your Temu app. I hope this video was helpful to you all, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.